Hi, welcome to my channel where I talk about Flutter, the amazing UI toolkit from Google. In this video, I'm going to explain what Flutter is and why you should use it for your next app project. Flutter is a framework that lets you create beautiful, fast, and native apps for mobile, web, and desktop with one programming language and one codebase. That means you can write your app once and run it on any platform without any hassle. You don't need to learn different languages or tools for different platforms. You can use Flutter to build apps for Android, iOS, Windows, Mac, Linux, and even the web. Flutter uses Dart as its programming language. Dart is an object-oriented language that is easy to learn and powerful to use. Dart has many features that make Flutter development faster and easier, such as hot reload and hot restart, null safety, and stateful hot reload. Flutter also has a rich set of widgets and themes that you can use to design your app's UI. Widgets are the building blocks of Flutter apps. They are reusable components that describe how your app looks and behaves. Themes are collections of colors, fonts, and styles that you can apply to your widgets to give them a consistent look and feel. Flutter also has a new graphics engine called Impeller that uses Metal on iOS and Vulkan on Android to render your app's graphics with high performance and high fidelity. Impeller also supports wide gamut colors, which means your app can display more vibrant and realistic colors on devices that support it. Flutter is an open-source project that is developed by Google and supported by a large community of developers and contributors. You can find many resources and tutorials on how to use Flutter on the official website, the developer portal, and the online learning platform. You can also join the Flutter community on GitHub, Twitter, Discord, Reddit, and other platforms. If you want to learn more about Flutter and how to build amazing apps with it, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of my new videos. I'll be posting more videos on Flutter topics such as widgets, themes, Impeller, plugins, tools, and more. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give it a like and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. See you in the next video.